In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix non-descriptive link text in Webflow in under 2 minutes. Ensuring your links are descriptive is essential not only for accessibility, but also for improving overall user experience on your site. So, let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Webflow's website. If you're not already on the homepage, that's where you want to be to get started. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on Log In. This will lead you to the login page where you can enter your credentials, email and password to access your account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is essentially your command center within Webflow, where you manage all your projects. From here, you'll want to click on Dashboard, which will display all of your active projects that you're currently working on. Now, scan through your list of projects and click on the one that you'd like to work on today. Choosing the correct project is important because it holds all the elements that you'll be editing, including the text links we're focused on. Once you're inside your project, it's time to identify the specific text link you want to refine. Scroll through the content until you find the link that you believe needs a more descriptive upgrade. Click on this text link to bring up its settings sidebar. With the settings sidebar now open, you'll see various options for editing this link. Here is where you can customize and enhance its properties to be more descriptive. Look for the section labeled text or something similar, depending on your Webflow version. This is where you'll input the new, detailed description for your link. Ensure the new text is clear and accurately reflects the purpose or destination of the link. For example, instead of a generic "click here," you might say, "Read more about our services," or "Visit our contact page." This change not only helps with SEO, but is crucial for users who rely on screen readers. Once you've edited the text to your satisfaction, you can simply click outside the settings panel to save your changes. Webflow will typically autosave, but it's always wise to double-check that your modifications have been stored properly. Congratulations! You've successfully enhanced your link text to be more descriptive. This small but significant adjustment will improve both your site's accessibility and user experience, making your web project that much more engaging and informative. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in making your Webflow projects more user-friendly and accessible. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or consult Webflow's comprehensive help resources. Until next time.